In 1875, Charles Darwin published a groundbreaking study on carnivorous plants, revealing their unique ability to trap and digest insects. These plants, like the Venus flytrap, fascinated Victorian society with their seemingly predatory nature. But did you know that in 1930, a botanist named Dr. Smith claimed to have discovered a plant that could consume small mammals? This sensational claim sparked debates and curiosity worldwide. While Dr. Smith's findings were later debunked, the allure of carnivorous plants endures. They remind us of nature's endless wonders and the thin line between fact and fiction.